Dear students, welcome. Let's discuss 10th standard 4th chapter quadratic equation. In the chapter polynomial, we discussed how to categorize polynomial according to its degree. If degree of the polynomial is 1, it is known as linear polynomial ax plus b. If degree 2, that type of the polynomial are known as quadratic polynomial. The general formula is ax square plus bx plus c. If degree 3, that type of the polynomial are known as cubic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, if you put the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then that polynomial becomes as quadratic equation. So let's discuss the chapter, the 4th chapter, quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If that equation, the variable of that equation is x. Suppose if it is in y, then this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 becomes as ay square plus bx plus ay square plus by plus c. Here this equation in variable x, that's why the general formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. This is a very important point, a not equal to 0. What happens if a equal to 0? If a equal to 0, this ax square becomes 0x square, that is 0, then it's become to bx plus c equal to 0. What is the bx plus c? It is linear equation. So the general formula of the standard formula of the linear quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Then look this example. 5x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. You want to find what is a, what is b and what is c. So compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square, in place of the ax square you can find 5x square. So what is a? A is 5, and what is b? Bx. Here what is bx? In place of the bx here 3x. That is there. So in bx, x coefficient of the x is b. Here what is the coefficient of x? 3. So b is 3. And what is c? C is the constant. C is equal to, actually c is minus 10. So we can say a equal to 5, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 10. Look one more. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. What is here? A, b, c. What is here? A? A is, when you compare this x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, when you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? A is, actually x square means 1x square, that's why a is 1. So here a is 1. When you compare the b with the coefficient of the x, what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of the x is minus 1, that's why the b is minus 1. And c is the constant. What is the constant here? Minus 1. So you can find a is 1, b is minus 1 and c is minus 1. Okay. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation must be in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Actually two sides for this question. One is right hand side and another is left hand side. X plus 1 whole square. So expand this x plus 1 whole square. What is x plus 1 whole square? X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to the RHS side 2 into x minus 3. What is 2 into x minus 3? 2 into x and 2 into minus 3. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So bring all this term to this side. You will get x square plus 2x plus 1. This 2x is actually positive 2x. If you bring this to the left sides become minus 2x. Negative 6 becomes to plus 6 equal to 0. Negative 2x and positive 2x cancel. Now what is remaining? X square. No term with x here. So 0x. And what is the constant? 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 equal to 7 equal to 0. Now what is actually in form? Actually ax square plus bx plus c. So definitely we can say this is quadratic equation. X square plus 0x plus 7 is quadratic equation. Look this question, we want to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Question is, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integer. No need to find the integer area. Actually we want to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. What is the question? The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. What is the consecutive positive integers? 13 and 14. These two are the consecutive positive integer, 2 or 3. So 13, if the first number is 30, the next number is 14. How? 13 plus 1 is 14. So we don't know the number, let the numbers are x. If the first number is x, what is the second number? X plus 1. So the numbers are x and x plus 1. Look the question, the product means x into the second number is x plus 1. What is the product? Product given in the question. What is the product? Product is 306. So x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Multiply x into x, that is x square. Then x into 1 is x equal to what? Equal to 306. Then bring this 306 to the left side. It become x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? What is the highest power? Highest power is x square, degree is 2, that's why it's a quadratic equation. Okay, then move to the next one. Next is solution or root of the equation. What is the solution of the equation? Look here the statement, the value x that to satisfy an equation is called solution or root of the equation. Look one example. Suppose x plus 3 equal to 0. We want to find the value of x such that it satisfies the equation. For what value of x, the value equal to 0, if you put this x equal to negative 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So you can say that negative 3 is the root of this equation. In quadratic equation, how we can find the root of the equation? What is the degree of the quadratic equation? 2. Definitely there is 2 roots for this equation. X square plus x plus 8 equal to 0. We are going to find the root of this equation. X square plus x plus 6 equal to 0. Then what is the sum here? Sum is 6 and the product is 8. Then if you multiply you want to get 8, if you add you want to get 6. Which are the numbers? 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So you can write this x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0 like this way. X plus 2 into x plus 4 equal to 0. Then the next step is compare each bracket into the 0. If x plus 2 equal to 0, you will get the value of x as negative 2. If you put x plus 4 is equal to 0, you will get x equal to negative 4. So you can say that negative 2 and negative 4 are the root of this equation. Why it's root? Suppose if x equal to negative 2, put this x equal to negative 2 in this equation, x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Then this equation become this x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to become negative 2 square plus 6 into negative 2 plus 8. What is negative 2 square? Negative 2 square is 4 and 6 into negative 2 is negative 12 and plus 8. So 4 plus negative 12 minus 8 equal to 0. That's why we can say that negative 2 is the solution of this equation or negative 2 is the root of this equation. Similarly, we can say that negative 4 is the solution of this equation. Okay, look the next one. A quadratic equation can be solved by the following algebraic method. We can solve the quadratic equation by different method. The first one is the splitting the middle term. The second one is the completing the squares, and third one is the very important one, quadratic formula. Which are three methods: splitting the middle term, completing the squares, and quadratic formula. Find the root of the equation by splitting the middle term. Look the question, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. X square, what is the middle term here? Middle term is minus 3x, so we want to split that minus 3x. So the product is negative 10 and the sum is here, sum is negative 3. Product is the last one, product is negative 10 and the sum is negative 3. Which are the numbers? Negative 5 and 2. Look, negative 5 into 2 is negative 10. If you add negative 5 into 2, you will get negative 3. So we can split the middle term like this way. X square minus 3x is actually x square minus 5x plus 2x. This minus 3x you can split as minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. And if you take the common outside, you will get like this way, x plus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. You can factorize this, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0 like this way, x plus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0, and compare each bracket into 0. If you compare this x plus 2 equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 2. If you compare this x minus 5 equal to 0, you will get x equal to 5. So we can find that negative 2 and 5 are the root of this equation. Which are the root of this equation? Negative 2 and 5 are the root of this equation. What is the method? Split the middle term, make 2 factor, Compare each factor into 0 and find the value of x1. Next one is find the two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Which are the two consecutive positive integers? X and x plus 1. Let the numbers be x and x plus 1. Then we can find sum of whose squares. Which are the squares? Square of the x is x square. Square of the x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square equal to 365. So this x square is x square. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 365. Compare, you will get 2x square plus 2x minus 364 equal to 0. Or you can divide throughout with the 2. You will get x square plus x minus 182 equal to 0, and split the middle term. How we are splitting the middle term? The product is negative 182 and the sum is 1. Which are the two numbers? 14 and 13. 14 into 13 is 182. 14 minus 13 is 1. So you can split this x as positive 14x negative 13x minus 182 equal to 0. We splitted the middle term 1x like this way, 14x minus 13x. So take the common outside and make it 2 factor. You will get x plus 14 into x minus 13 equal to 0. Compare each with each bracket into 0. If x plus 14 equal to 0, you will get the value of the x as negative 14. If you compare this x minus 13 into 0, you will get x equal to 13. We are avoiding the negative value. We are taking only the positive value. So we can take x equal to 13. If x equal to 13, what is the next number? Which are the numbers? X and x plus 1. If x is 13, which is the next number? Next number is 13 plus 1, that is 14. So one number is 13 and other one is 14. Dear students, welcome. We are going to discuss 10th standard 4th chapter quadratic equation in second video. Second video is related with the main important thing, that is the quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Using the quadratic formula you can find root of the equation. Very important one. The quadratic formula is x equal, if that equation in x you want to find x, if that equation in y you want to find y. If it is in x, then x equal negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. This is known as the quadratic formula. What is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Then that b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. That b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. That b square minus 4ac is determining the nature of the root. What is the nature of the root? Nature of the root means you will get two roots. Sometimes you will not get any root. If that quadratic equation does not exist, you will not get any root. So the b square minus 4ac is known as the discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you will get two different root. If that b square minus 4ac greater than 0, its value is a positive number, okay, greater than 0, you will get two different root. If that b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that is discriminant equal to 0, then you will get two equal root. Sometimes you will get, if you got 2 as a root, then you will get one more 2 as the same root. Okay. Then b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then you have two equal root. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if the discriminant is less than 0, no real root. So this b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Actually we are denoting with the capital letter D. Find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. We want to find what is the nature of the root. How we can find the nature of the root? By comparing. How we can find the nature of the root? Very simple. Find D or discriminant. Look the question. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. First you want to write what is A, what is B and what is C. What is A here? Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You will get A equal to 2, B equal to negative 3 and C equal to 5. Then what is the next step? Next step is you want to find the discriminant. How can I find the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. Don't write equal to 0. Write b square minus 4ac and substitute the value. What is b? B is negative 3. So it is negative 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So you will get negative 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. What is negative 3 square? Negative 3 square is 9. 9 minus 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5. 8 into 5 is 40. So 9 minus 40. 9 minus 40 is negative 31. So what is this meaning? 9 minus 40 is equal to negative 31. That is, nature of the root is no real root. Okay, no real root. This is the example. Once again, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Just find ABC and find b square minus 4ac. If it is greater than 0, two different root. If it is less than 0, no root. If it is equal to 0, two equal root. Look at the next one. Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 have two equal root. Already they are saying that two equal root. We want to find the value of k. When it will get two equal root? When the discriminant equal to 0. When d equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac equal to 0, you will get two equal root. First write ABC. The given equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Then find a. What is a? A is 2 and b. B is bx. In place of the bx here kx. So b is k and c. C is 3. Then you want to find d equal to 0. Why d equal to 0? Already they are saying that two equal root. So equal root discriminant is equal to 0. That is b square minus 0 minus 4ac equal to 0. Compare. Right. What is b? What is a? What is c? You will get b is k square minus 4ac. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24 equal to 0. So k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to what? Bring this negative 24 to the right side. You will get positive 24. K square equal to 24 or k equal to root 24. What is root 24 value? K equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. So you will get two value for that one. Which are the two values? K equal to positive 2 root 6 or k equal to negative 2 root 6. Hope it's clear. Okay, then we have many problems to solve. Okay, dear students, we can solve this question using quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Look this question. The sum of age of a son and his father is 35 years and the product of their age is 150 years. Find their age. Method, we don't know what is the age of his father and age of son. We want to find that. No, let the age of his father be x years and the age of the son be y years. We don't know. That's we don't know. So we are taking the two numbers as the variable. So x plus y is 35. What is x plus y? X plus y is 35 because they given sum of the age of a son and his father is 35. So father's age is x and son's age is y. X plus y equal to 35 and the product of the age is 150. So x into y is equal to 150. From this x plus y equal to 35, you can represent y in terms of x. So y equal to 35 minus x. Keep y here. Bring this x to the right side. You will get y equal to 35 minus x. Put this y equal to 35 minus x in xy equal to 150. So this xy becomes x into, what is y? Y is 35 minus x equal to 150. Multiply x into 35, 35x. X into minus x square equal to 150. Arrange, you will get x square minus 35x plus 150 equal to 0. Compare this with a, b, c. Ax square, compare this with ax square plus bx plus c. You will get a equal to 1, b equal to negative 35 and c equal to 150. Then we want to use this quadratic formula to find this answer. What is a quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Substitute the values. Negative b is already negative 35. So negative b, negative 35. What is negative 35? Positive 35. So 35 plus or minus root of b square. What is b square? Negative 35 square minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 and c is, what is c? C is equal to 150 whole divided by 2a. 2a means 2. So you will get this is 35 plus or minus root of, what is 35 square? 35 square is 1225 minus 600. So 1225 minus 600 is 625. 625 divided by 2. What is root of 625? Root of 625 is 25. So you will get 35 plus or minus divided by 2. That is 35 plus 25 by 2. We are not taking negative. So 35 plus 25 is 60. 60 by 2. What is 60 by 2? 60 by 2 is 30. So what we are finding? We are finding x. What is x? X is the age of father. So we can find age of father is 30 and age of, what is the age of his son? Age of his son is 30. Sorry, age of his son is 5 and age of father is 30. Okay, hope it's clear. Thank you.